Hello everyone, I'm Jonathan, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to install or replace the battery for this distortion pedal. To perform this task you will need a thin stick. It could be a pen, pencil, metal nail, and you will need a 9-volt battery. First, using the pen or thin stick, press hard on the small black circles located at each side of the device until the lid pops up. Do one side at a time. Then, take out the loose compression spring and place it to the side. Don't lose it. Take the battery and place it below the battery dock. Make sure the battery's connectors match the dock's connectors. Push the battery slightly hard into the dock till it clicks and place it in the case. Make sure the battery doesn't obstruct the cable. Now, to put the device back together, you need to put the spring back in the place where you found it, then place the lid on top of the device, and using the pen, press one of the small black tubes located on the side so that it fits in one of the side holes of the lid. Do the same on the opposite side. Once you're done, test the device so that you know that you have followed the process correctly.